Hey everyone, it's Janella and welcome to my channel. On today's episode, I'll be sharing with you guys my first unboxing experience. So please keep on watching if you want to see me unbox my anniversary gift. So just a couple of days back, my boyfriend and I celebrated our anniversary. And of course, along with the pandemic that's been happening, we decided not to go out at all and be safe in our own homes. So his gift for me is I'm super excited about is my very own Young Living set. Without further ado, let us unbox. Got me pala the premium starter kit, which consists of 11 essential oils and a diffuser of your own choice. So yun nga, before kasi the one that was given to us was the Dewdrop Mist. So this time around, I made sure to get the other, I think this is one of the other OG ones, which is the Desert Mist one. So I specifically chose the Desert Mist one because it gave me that Moroccan feels. And yun nga, pag unbox ko, kasi it is apparently Moroccan inspired. So yung pattern pala ng diffuser na to is Moroccan inspired. Both covers 30 square meters, but the difference between the Desert Mist one, this one, and the Dewdrop one is because the Dewdrop one can diffuse for 4 hours, while the Desert Mist one could be diffused from 5, 7, and 10 hours because it has high, low, and intermittent modes. Kaya ako din siya gusto. And one reason also why I like this is because of the light. So meron siyang, I think it could change up to 11 lights, which is good. So parang may candle vibe, parang medyo may pagka-mo-artist siya ng konti. Okay, that's why I like it. So, okay guys, I'll show it to you guys now. So this is the box. I'm gonna open it. Power button is at the back along with the lights. So it looks like this when you open it. So okay, is yung pinaka-naabangan natin, which is the oils. Okay, so these are the oils. For today's episode, I'll be sharing with you guys first my top 3 favorite essential oils. So these are the ones. So these are peppermint, lavender, and lemon. So first up, I'll be discussing my all-time OG favorite one, which is part of my everyday life, which is lemon. Okay, so lemon is really part of my everyday life kasi in the morning when I wake up, I usually drink apple cider vinegar and that has lemon. And then for my skincare routine, also I apply vitamin C for my face for that brightening glow. And at night naman, pag medyo gusto kong bumaba ng kinain, I usually ask for hot water with lemon to help ma-ingest yung kinain ko and avoid empacho. Lemon is good to diffuse during the morning along with peppermint para gising na gising talaga kayo during the morning. And aside from that also, alam ko it helps uplift and invigorate your spirits. Also, it's good for boosting your immunity when mixed together with honey to drink in the morning. And guys, so yun yung mga alam kong benefits ng lemon. Good for the metabolism, since I always drink that, and good for the skin. But I didn't know how effective it is also in terms of paglilinis. Any stickers na residue or stickers in general which you want to remove, just apply a drop of lemon dun sa sticker and voila! Magaling siyang magtanggal, like easy peasy. Sobrang galing. From that also, I'm very meticulous kasi when it comes to smells and odors. So pag mayroon mga mabaho like a stinky trash can, you could diffuse this. Or pag may mabahong amoy in general, you could diffuse this and easily mag-ease down yung smell. Actually, ngayon ko lang din sobrang na-realize and na-fully understand. Usually, when I eat in crab or lobster restaurants, mayroon silang kasamang small bowl na may tubig and lemon. Restaurants give that and you just squeeze the lemon dun sa hand, fingers mo, and easily matatanggal yung smell. Alternative when using essential oil is that you could drop lemon sa soap mo para matanggal yung stinky odors in your hands. My next second favorite is lavender. So actually, naging favorite ko lang yung lavender during this pandemic because but during the start of the pandemic, nauso yung dried flowers, and I was very fond of lavender dried flowers because I saw yung benefits niya. Helps a lot with sleep, helps a lot with anxiety. So that's the first time I first heard of lavender. In terms of the essential oil, alam ko, sobrang dami niyang uses. Like, I think it could be diffused together with all the different oils, and marami siya talagang health benefits. So pag wala kayong maisip na i-diffuse, lavender yung go-to nyo. It could be used for anything and everything, basically. And lately, I found out that it's also good for healing pimple or mga sugat para madali siya mag-dry up. Pwede nyo ito i-apply topically sa skin nyo. And then aside from that, it's also good to add this to your mascara to promote healthy hair growth. This could also be added, like a few drops of it, to your daily serum or moisturizer for good healthy skin. A person who's also mahilig pumunta sa mga outdoors and stuff like that, to help after being exposed under the sun, it's good also to apply lavender to your skin. Nung nabasa recently that lavender helps a lot with post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD, and also helps with postpartum depression. So this is very good to diffuse. So ito, diffuse ko to usually at night to help now with my sleep and to help ease yung tensions or anxiety that I'm feeling. So magaling talaga and effective talaga siya in terms of helping me sleep better. So I usually diffuse this at least 30 minutes before I sleep para ma-inhale ko talaga and ma-ingest ko yung enough benefits of it. Okay, so fun fact also with lavender. Actually, lavender has been part pala of human lives since 2,500 years ago. Like, it was found in the tombs of Egyptians. Also, back during the times of Romans and Greek time, actually, lavender, it was used as part of their perfume. At they also use this one as, I think, as a detergent in terms of parang pampabango sa clothes nila. Lavender is a key component to over 40 Young Living products. So guys, sobrang, as in kahit saan talaga magagamit nyo si lavender. My third top favorite is peppermint. So peppermint, this could be ingested, diffused, and applied topically. So it could be ingested in terms of adding it to your baking, especially with the Christmas spirit coming along. So it's good to make your Christmas cookies along with peppermint. And then also you could add this to your morning coffee for that extra morning boost. In terms of being applied topically, actually nabasa ko to before na if meron kang car motion sickness or motion sickness in general, you could apply this to your temples or at the back of your ears topically para mag-help ease. It is really effective. And if mahilig kayo sa sweets, sobrang sweet tooth kasi ako, among everybody sa family namin, ako yung grabe, as in, ang hilig ko lang talaga. Iba yung love ko for sweets. So, to curb your sweet cravings, you could apply a drop of it in your stainless bottles, and voila. Like, hindi na kayo masyadong mag-crave ng sweets. Peppermint is also good and healed prior your workout para medyo mas may boost and grabe yung energy nyo to help you with your workout. And for post-workout also, peppermint is also good to apply with the carrier oil to the sore muscles to help relieve the tension that you're feeling. Okay guys, so that concludes my first unboxing and my sharing of my top 3 favorite essential oils. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys on the next vlog!